Air travel across the globe was thrown into turmoil as Airbus ordered the immediate grounding of thousands of its A320 family jets in one of the largest recalls in the country's history. The sweeping directive, triggered by a critical software flaw, left airlines scrambling to reposition aircraft and reschedule flights, while passengers faced mounting delays and cancellations during peak travel season. When reports last came in, a total of 338 aircraft were affected in India, of which the software upgrade, which is actually a downgrade, was completed on 270 of them. 68 aircraft are still being rectified. This report tells us more.
Aviation is facing one of its biggest disruptions in decades. Airbus has ordered the immediate recall of 6,000 A320 family jets, more than half of the world's fleet. The reason? A critical software flaw in the aircraft's flight control system, vulnerable to solar radiation interference. While the fix is relatively simple, reverting to an earlier software version, every aircraft must be grounded until repairs are complete.
EASA directive comes into effect on 29th of November, 2359 hours UTC. And thereafter, no flight can take off if this modification or this check has not been carried out. It will take approximately 2 to 3 hours to revert to the older version, but replacement of the ALC could take longer time.
The Airbus recall comes at the worst possible time during one of the busiest travel weekends of the year, with airlines across multiple continents warning of widespread delays and cancellations. Nearly 3,000 A320 jets were already in the air when the bulletin was issued, forcing carriers to reposition aircraft and rush repair schedules. For passengers, the result is long queues, missed connections, and a ripple effect of disruption across global travel networks.
It would still be monitored because this problem has just resurfaced. And we need to watch how after the modification the aircraft continues to behave, if there is any repetition of this nature.
India, home to one of the largest A320 fleets, has been hit especially hard. Out of more than 500 A320 family aircraft in service, 338 were flagged for urgent repairs. Major carriers like Indigo, Air India and Air India Express have already cancelled or delayed hundreds of flights. Airports in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Bengaluru were reporting heavy congestion as airlines work around the clock to complete fixes that take about 2 hours per plane.
See this? Now, pilot has to immediately react. In this case, we are able to recover the aircraft because the controls are actually working fine.
This recall ranks amongst the largest in Airbus's 55 years, exposing how even a single software flaw can shake the foundations of global aviation. It has grounded thousands of flights, tested the patience of travelers, and forced airlines into a delicate balancing act between safety and service. For Airbus, the message is unmistakable in aviation. Innovation may win headlines, but reliability is what sustains trust. Bureau Report, DD India.